Are you looking for the best portable washing machine? In this video we are looking 7 best portable washing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. 16L Portable Washing Machine. Foldable small washer with spin basket laundry machine, 3 cleaning modes suitable for underwear, baby, small clothes, foldable design ideal for hotel, camping, apartment, home. Brand, Kazi. Capacity, 16 liters. Special feature, high efficiency. Access location, front load. Finish type, purple painted finish. Color, purple. Cycle options, drain. Controls type, push button. Upgrade design. 16L large capacity portable washing machine has a super large capacity, more than traditional 6L washing machines, can handle more clothes at one time, more efficient. Large body, large capacity. The upgraded 36W strong motor has a bigger power. The motor is promoted to better washing effect. It may produce some sound after starting. Put it in the space of isolating the sound to better using. 360-degree AIL round imitation hand washing isn't damage to the clothes, more thorough cleaning. Number 2. Portable washing machine. Mini washer, 16L upgraded large capacity foldable washer. Deep cleaning of underwear, baby clothes, and other small clothes. Suitable for apartments, dormitories, hotels. Portable washing machine. The body weighs only 3.5 pounds, compact and easy to carry, ideal for your apartment, dorm, hotel, travel, or camping. Our portable washing machine is made of TPE and food-grade silicone material, protecting the health of you and your family. Powerful decontamination. This mini washing machine provides all-round imitation hand scrubbing, suitable washing speed, and strong decontamination. With blue light, it is very suitable for washing small clothes such as baby clothes, underwear, or socks, keeping you and your family healthy. Folding design. This small portable washing machine cleverly adopts a foldable design, which measures 12.5 by 12.5 by 13.5 inches when unfolded and 12.5 by 12.5 by 6 inches when folded. Easy to store, it can be easily placed between shelves or under the bed without taking up too much space in your home. Number 3. Portable washing machine, mini washer 16L washer, small clothes folding washing machine of underwear, baby and small delicates, 3 cleaning modes suitable for home, apartments, dormitories, hotels. 16L upgrade design. 16L large capacity portable washing machine has a super large capacity, more than traditional 6L washing machines, can handle more clothes at one time, more efficient. Large body, large capacity. Our small washer machine is specifically designed to clean small clothing items that require separate washing. From underwear and socks to baby clothes and towels, this mini foldable washer ensures thorough cleaning, leaving your clothes hygienic and fresh. Powerful decontamination. This mini washing machine offers a full range of hand scrubbing imitation wash with 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute timer buttons, and precise wash speeds for powerful stain removal, making it easy to complete a wide range of cleaning requirements. This mini washing machine provides all-round imitation hand scrubbing, suitable washing speed, and strong decontamination. With blue light, it is very suitable for washing small clothes such as baby clothes, underwear, or socks. Number 4. Portable washing machine, 15L small foldable washer with 3 cleaning modes for baby clothes, underwear, small items, mini collapsible laundry for travel, apartment, home, dorm, hotel, camping, white. Portable washing machine, equipped with a drain basket. This portable washer features a 360-degree simulated hand wash mode and blue light technology, enabling efficient and gentle cleaning of garments. It is particularly suitable for delicate items such as baby clothes, underwear, towels, or socks. Constructed from TPE and food-grade silicone materials, it ensures the health and well-being of you and your family. This mini washing machine is not suitable for washing large items. 3 washing modes. The small washing machine's control panel is simple and intuitive, featuring 3-minute, drain, 5-minute, quick wash, and 10-minute, standard wash, timer modes. Simply turn on the machine, select the desired wash mode, and the washing cycle will begin. This design easily accommodates various washing needs, making it user-friendly for seniors, teenagers, or first-time users. Number 5. Portable washing machine, 16L mini collapsible washing machine with spin, small foldable washer and dryer for underwear, baby clothes, RV, apartment, purple. Space-saving design, our compact portable washing machine is perfect for small living spaces like apartments, dorms, and hotels. Made from TPE and food-grade silicone, it ensures the health and safety of you and your family. An ideal gift option for anyone seeking convenience and efficiency in their laundry routine. Smart cleaning modes, experience the convenience of our mini portable washing machine with semi-automatic cleaning modes. With 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute timer buttons, you can easily customize your washing cycles for quick or deep cleaning, meeting all your laundry needs effortlessly. Detachable spin-dry basket, once your clothes are washed, simply attach the drain basket for the spin-dry function to effectively remove excess water. This feature ensures that your clothes are ready for drying or wearing in no time, saving you precious time and effort. Foldable and portable, our mini portable washing machine is designed with a foldable feature, measuring 11.8 by 11.8 by 5.8 inches when folded. Its compact size allows for easy storage in tight spaces, making it an ideal solution for those looking to save space in their home. Number 6. 15L portable washing machine foldable. Small compact laundry washer, mini washer with spin dryer, collapsible lavadora portátil for socks, underwear, hotel, apartments, purple. Portable washing machine, this mini washing machine is foldable, measuring 11.5 by 11.5 by 10.5 inches when unfolded, but only 11.5 by 11.5 by 5.5 inches when folded. This foldable washer folds down to a small box size that fits easily into a suitcase or cabinet drawer, making this compact washer very portable and easy to store, making it perfect for travel, camping, dorms, or apartments. 15L larger capacity, the portable washer has a larger capacity than the 6L and 9L mini washing machines, which means that it can wash more clothes at the same time. The portable washing machines can wash 14 pairs of socks or 6 baby clothes or 8 underwear or 3 t-shirts or 8 towels at a time. The compact washer machine uses a low-noise design to ensure that the user's rest and sleep are not affected. Number 7. Portable washing machine. Underwear washer rechargeable cordless washing machine deep clean socks, underwear, baby. Cordless mini washing machine, measures 21.2 cm per 8.35 inches * 13.5 cm per 5.3 inches * 13.5 cm per 5.3 inches, weighs only 1.5 pounds, has a capacity of 1.5 L, and is equipped with a 3600 mAh rechargeable battery, no need to plug in all the time, giving you total flexibility wherever you go. High-speed deep cleaning, this portable washing machine has an upgraded high-speed turbine motor that can quickly clean stains on clothes, and the blue light can provide a hygienic washing method, which is very suitable for washing small clothes such as baby clothes, underwear, or socks, protecting the health of you and your family. Waterproof and rechargeable, the body is splash-proof and equipped with a 3600 mAh battery. It can be used wireless after charging, making it ideal for travel, business trips, and camping. This portable washing machine allows you to enjoy the freedom of laundry anytime, anywhere. Note, it does not have dehydration and drying functions. Easy to use, 2 modes, quick clean, thorough clean, 15 minutes. Actual battery life after full charge, quick clean, 5 minutes, about 43 times, gentle clean, 15 minutes, about 16 times. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.